watching Shop Girl right now. Shop Girl, Shop Girl. Hey guys, it's Shop Girl here, and today we are doing the part 2 of the Ugglys Pet Shop. Sorry guys, in part 1, if I would have opened all of them, then I would make it like so long. So I'm sorry guys, but I got a part 2. So let's get started. Alright. And if I clap 5 times, these will all be open. Wow everyone, that worked. Wait. It got everything except for the blind bags. I guess it's not powerful enough for the blind bags. But luckily I have some scissors with me. Maybe later I'll have enough power for opening the blind bags. Ooh, it's a sticky. Oh, here he is. And in part 1, when I told you that all the sticky ones, when you drop it on the floor and you have cats or dogs or something like that, it's gone. Same with this. Oh, and guys, I put the checklists up here with the Shopkins ones, just so it's easier. I put the front one. I put a front one here and a back one there. So, yeah. So, which one is this? This one looks like it's gonna be in the stickiest, of course. This is the Smelly Shih Tzu, and it looks like she is a ultra rare. So, yeah. And then another one. Who is it? Oh, it's a sticky. It's in the plastic. Another sticky. Ooh, it's Toadkill. Toadkill, come out. Come on out. Come on, Toadkill. And Toadkill is an ultra rare. All the stickies are ultra rare. Look at him. Oh my goodness. Okay. That's Toadkill. He kills the toads. No, he kills the roads. And then, ooh, who is this? Ooh, I do not have this one. Wow. I've been wanting this one for a long time. This is the German Shepherd. And it looks like the German Shepherd is, where is this color? Because different colors are different. Oh. And he is what is the blue? What's the blue? The blue is common, yeah. Okay. And he's really cool, like seriously. Alright. We have 3 blind bags left. And we have one more pet in here. Who is this? I think this is this guy. I can feel it. I think it is. It might be. Oh, I see some green. What? Who is green? Who is green? It might be the rotten rat. Well, we'll just have to find out. Ba, ba, ba. Oh, no, it's not. It's a spider. Woo! Woo! Okay. Alright, here is the spider, everyone. He's so scary. Da, 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 da. This is Spewy Spider, and Spewy Spider is a common. He should be an ultra rare. Okay. Then we have our surprise poop. Okay, have our surprise poop. Okay. I have some other surprise poop. Up above me, where my 100,000,001 stuffed animals are up there. I'll have to show you at the end of the video. What is this? What is this? What is this, everyone? Please tell me, because look. Okay, so this looks like a poop that has bubbles coming out. and we'll find out what it is. It's a, ew, okay, it's this one right here. So that's cool, and it's stretchy. And then we have one more blind bag, which is another surprise poop. Beep. Oh, what is this? Who and what is this? Wait, not who, but ooh, look at this one. Someone stepped in it. Someone stepped in it. What is this one? This one, okay, I can't find it, but look at it. It's stretchy poop. Okay, so this is all of our Ugglys that we got today in part 2, including the poop.